Good afternoon. We're here at 2221 East 84th Avenue in Denver, Colorado. Today's date is December 29th, 2025 at approximately 3:02 p.m. We are located here at the main city tap connection, which is approximately 100 feet and 8 inches from this cleanout in the laundry room downstairs. Today we are performing a sewer scope after a sewer cleaning and also after a spot repair that was done here in the downstairs. Alrighty, let's get started. As you can see, there's your main city tap connection. You have a good transition there. Your city tap is SDR plastic, which then transitions into clay. You have a good transition there. We had some root intrusion in this line that we got rid of, but as you can see, it's in good working condition. We have good downhill flow. Here's your transition from clay to cast iron. You have a good transition there. Your cast iron is also in good working condition. And then here's your transition from cast iron to PVC plastic, which is where the repair was done. From this spot all the way back to the right a little bit under the cleanout. As you can see, all that is good. Good downhill flow. That concludes the scope.